มาเก่งที่เหรอเนี่ย
Leave me alone.
All right.
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 Oh my goodness.
That what, babe?
If that isn't cute. Is that your baby? Huh?
Frankie, you can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
She tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.